Protections for certain officers sued for excessive force remain Louisiana's law of the land tonight. This after a state House panel rejected a push to do away with it. Fox 44's Harrison Golden explains how today's debate channeled national dialogue.
People have sent you here, but people have also sent me here. People have sent all of these folks who are standing with me.
State Representative Edmund Jordan telling lawmakers why he brought his bill to the House Civil Law Committee, a bill to end the so-called qualified immunity defense for officers sued for wrongful death or physical harm.
We say that law enforcement should be held to a higher standard, except when it comes to qualified immunity. We actually hold them to a lower standard.
Citing cases of black Americans hurt or killed by law enforcement's so-called bad actors and of officers excused from civil court in the name of doing their jobs.
Cases such as the ones that I've cited get cut off at the knees before they have the opportunity to get into formal discovery.
With a broad brush, it makes everybody look bad.
But bill critics voiced questions that passage would leave officers liable, even in cases when they don't touch suspects.
And they have to be able to enforce the laws. And how are they going to do that if they're every time they encounter a crime, they don't know what to do?
Opponents adding police accused of excessive force aren't immune from criminal cases.
Are we now going to have to answer fully through court where we didn't exert any force, but really the result came from the perpetrator's own actions?
We should not vilify all law enforcement officers and all police officers.
The panel voting 9-7 against the bill, though supporters and opponents alike hint the conversation isn't over.
There's a dark side to this thing that we cannot escape. Problems do not resolve themselves without some effort.
We will dedicate the time that we need to this issue during the interim. And I don't even want to call it a study request. You've got my commitment. I assure you of that.
At the Capitol, Harrison Golden, Fox 44 News.
Now, this will likely be the last time state lawmakers debate policing matters for a while. Their next regular legislative session is set for spring 2021.